I made this helmet into this, but how? I will tell you, but firstly, hello, that's me, Master Gaurav, and you are watching Maker Industries third episode. For make this helmet, you will follow a few steps. Firstly, step 1. Download templates and print it. Download this template from description. That template is from Wix and Tony DIY. So after download it, print out and glue all templates in cardboard and cut all items. Step 2. Curve and assemble helmet. After cutting all the parts, curve all the parts, and now we move to tape all items. After taping all the parts, it look like this now. We give all the parts with flex kiwi and favicol bound, and also we add temporary parts that we move on another step. Filling. Step number 3, that's the time I use wood filler before resin and sand it. After filling, wait few hours and then sand all the helmet. Step 4. Resin. For resin, I use isopolyester resin that have a 3 compound. First ISO foam, second cobalt accelerator, and third MEKP catalyst. After mixing all the compound, our resin is ready to apply for inside and outside. And now we wait a few hours for set all the down. And now we have to come to our next step, that is sanding. For sanding, I use this sandpaper. After sanding, we have to move on our fifth step, priming. This step is my favorite step because it is so easy. Firstly, I paint this helmet silver metallic paint. And add black sheet to look, see what is like. And I like this really, but as we know that in Mandalorian first season, this helmet is look like a chrome and a silver metallic look. So yeah, I order from Amazon a graphite powder. Yeah, a graphite powder is the coolest thing that I ordered from Amazon. Firstly, you have to paint all over the blackest plane, which is gloss black paint, and then apply all over graphite powder and rub it all over. After that, we have to move on our final step, that is final touch. This step is a final step of the entire video. After using graphite powder, now I have ordered a black sheet, that is a cheapest sheet from, and I order from Amazon, and also I give you in the description link also. Now we cut out this sheet and just paste it on, and now our helmet is ready. Thank you for watching this whole video, and I make sure you have to like this video and subscribe and share out with all your friends. And now our next project, hence I show you, we have a nice night, day and evening. Thank you, have a nice day.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the marijuana.